what is up, guys? Today it is the start of a big one. It is our first of 8 amusement parks over these next 3 days. We are at Universal Studios and we're going to hit Islands of Adventure first. Check out Hagrids Motorbike Adventure. It is our first ever time visiting here and it's the official start to the countdown to our 400th roller coaster. We'll see you guys in there. All right, number 385, first ride of the day. Wow, that is so much better than I expected it to be. I got front row. That entire experience is something unlike anything I've ever done before. It's so heavily themed. It's so immersive from the time you walk into the queue until you finish. You don't expect it because it's a B&M floorless. But it's so much, definitely the best floorless I've ever ridden. The launch straight into the inversion, it's almost like Hagrids 360 coming out of the tunnel straight into the inversion. The whippiness, it's the most forceful floorless I've ridden. Again, that might be because of the theming, everything else feels better. That was so incredible. Boogie butt. Spider-Man bean?
If I can ride it.
You can ride it.
Oh, rubber guns.
And that was, again, absolutely incredible. That blew me away. The best, the most immersive, most interactive, probably the longest 4D dark ride I've ever done. That blows everything away that Six Flags does with DC Rivals. That was so fun, so interactive. And they even had Stan Lee make a cameo. I've never had that many water effects, that much theming, everything that went into it. Definitely a grade above every other Parks 4D experience we've done. And just a quick shout out to Universal, because this place is like Cedar Point in July packed. And they're just whipping people through it. It's saying 45-minute waits, but you'll go in and do a 25-minute wait. Next up, a highly recommended log flume ride. Very interactive, very immersive. Are you excited? This is a super crazy one. It's gonna be so much fun. Are you having fun today? It's about 65 degrees. I am soaked, frozen, but love it. Spectacular log flume, 3 different drops in there, including the last one. You get this just breathtaking view of the park right before you drop down. It's almost like an airtime hill right in the middle of the drop. So unique, and there's so much steaming. It's so immersive. Just everything just a step above every other park we've been to. This is incredible. And that was really everything that, I expected it to be. It's just such an iconic part of this park. Again, I personally loved the franchise growing up. It's just the perfect mix of thrill and family fun. The cute little squirting effects. It's so interactive at the beginning, and then at the end, you really get to give your kids that good scare right before the big drop. It's your basic log flume, but what they've done with it with the theming and effects, it's incredible. Now we're going to head back to maybe my most anticipated part about this day. That is Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure, the Intamin 7-time launch coaster with a drop track. It's about 2 hours waiting. To provide something that isn't a motorbike clone, it's going to be more than worth it.